Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are learn what is if and else and how we are use if else. Then we are go to code editor, was real life example. What is if and else in Python? If and else are condition statement in Python. They are allow a program to make discussion based on another to a condition is true or false. Why we are use if and else in Python? We use if else to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition is true or false. So let's go guys, go to our code editor and watch real life example in code. Now I write here is equal, I take here user input int, then enter your is. Okay, when user give here input, then I show here, I give now here if and else condition to show adult and child. Program to do I am now. Now I write here if is 117, print you are young. Then I give here else print your child. Now let's run our code. I give her is 20. It show me you are young. Now another way to run, when I give her below 17, 59 when give her, it show me your child. Now another we are see, when I give her 17, then it show me yourself, but when I give her 18, it show me you are young. Now let's explain our code. In this code what happened here. First of all, I take here user input, then in this line I take here user input, then it's come is greater than 17. When user give her input, this is under 17 or below 17, its condition is false. That case it show your child. When user give her age is greater than 17, that's time this condition is true. That's time it's print you are young. So thanks for watching this video.